Hello everyone, welcome to my channel dedicated to everything related to broiler poultry farming. Here we share our experience and expertise on raising healthy broiler chickens from day old to marketing. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting out, we've got you covered with tips, tricks and valuable insights to help you succeed. So hit that subscribe button and join our community of broiler poultry farmers today. Thank you for subscribing. Let's dive in today's topic. Common mistakes we make in poultry. In the poultry industry, there are some common mistakes that are often overlooked but can have serious consequences for the health of the birds. These mistakes can result in high mortality rates and reduced productivity. One common mistake is not properly arranging the brooding room. This includes not covering the room properly and not fumigating it before bringing in day-old chicks. This can lead to infections that causes mortalities on a daily basis. Another mistake is not providing adequate heat to the chicks. It's important to provide enough heat from day 1 until 1 week and even up to 2 weeks in areas with very cold weather. Adequate heat is important for hydration and proper feeding, as well as killing germs and protecting the chicks from infections. Proper attention is also important for the health of the birds. This includes changing the litter on time, providing enough water and feed, and ensuring that the water is not too warm. Additionally, proper observation is necessary to detect any signs of malfunctions in the birds and treat them promptly to prevent further problems. When it comes to administering medication, there are specific techniques that should be followed. This includes removing all the drinkers before feeding the birds, feeding them without water, washing the drinkers and then mixing the medication with clean water and giving it to the birds. It is also important to maintain proper hygiene by washing feeders and drinkers with a sponge before use, changing the water regularly and keeping the environment clean. Neglecting environmental sanitation can put the birds at risk of infections. Finally, it's important to report any problem in a timely manner and seek help from others if necessary. No one knows everything, and seeking advice can prevent serious mortalities that may lead to frustration and reduced productivity. In summary, these common mistakes in poultry farming can have consequences. By paying attention to the details and taking proper care of the birds, these mistakes can be avoided and the productivity and the health of the birds can be maintained. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in your journey to become a successful broiler poultry farmer. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. And as always, be a happy farmer. Bye bye.